Teach me not white as snow, make me black as snow.
To my husband, Cameron, I love you. Today, June 28th, is not my favorite day of the year.
Truly, I am sorry that at any point in our relationship, I took you for granted, because you're the best thing to ever happen to me, and I'd be utterly lost without you.
Teach me not to judge or slander the hearts of other men. Teach me how to feast and dance when brothers home again.
Now, I've said this a few times in this speech about how lucky I am, Liz, and I want to tell you why. I'm lucky because what we have together is so rare. The way that we get along, the way that we're always on the same page, I think it takes a lot of luck to find that kind of chemistry with someone, just to stumble upon it by happenstance. But for us, it doesn't just end at luck and chemistry. We're open with each other, we're honest with each other. We work towards the same goals. We work every day at our relationship, regardless if it's easy or if it's hard, but we still work. And because of that, I feel so lucky to be with you.
Can you count the stars, my child? Or can you count the sands? Can you count the lines I'll cross you? Prove you're always in my hands.
I'm a very proud dad right now. I can't tell you how privileged I feel today. Cam, you've become a role model to my son, and you're the right fit for my girl. You make my daughter laugh. That really matters a lot to me, that you make her laugh. In fact, your dad jokes are better than mine, and that's okay. You are intelligent, selfless, charming, romantic, and clever. I see the love you have for Alyssa, and I know how in love she is with you. She adores you. When you asked for her hand in marriage, I without hesitation couldn't imagine her without you. Cam, I'm proud to say welcome to our family. And I look forward to moving away from handshakes to hugs.
Searching for an open door.
Cam is the most genuine person I know. He is completely authentic, hardworking, and has a zest for life. Now, I know you're my younger brother. There are so many ways that look up to you. You have an amazing way to connect with people and build relationships. Your drive and passion for life is truly inspiring. A long way of saying, I love you. This would normally be the part in the speech where I welcome the bride to our family. But Alyssa, you're already a sister to me and an incredible part of our family. Oh, God.
felt happier than when I'm building a life with you. And even though today is such an important event in our lives, I'm excited to continue this journey with you. You make that journey easy. Being with you is easy. You are my partner, my best friend, my greatest love. I enjoy laughing with you, crying with you, a lot today, and being silly with you. I just love being with you. I'll never forget something you told me when we first started dating. You said to me, Alyssa, you need to open up to me in order for this to work. I think that's one of the reasons why I'm most thankful for you. You showed me that it's okay to open up, to stick your heart out, and to take a risk sometimes. Because more often than not, those are going to be the most worthwhile pursuits. Had you have not said that, I would not have experienced a love like this. A true and real love. I am grateful for you and for opening my heart to put it simply, make my life better.
With my own two legs, so you can make it out. So you can make it out. I know you're all I have. So
Now, in 5 years that we've known each other, I feel like we've been every age together as well. We're childish and we're playful with each other like kids. We're hopelessly in love with each other like teenagers. We work together and make decisions about our lives like adults. And like the elderly, we love napping, comfortable shoes, tea, and shuffleboard. But regardless of what age that we are, I will always love you. I can't believe that I get to spend the rest of my life with you. You are absolutely the best part of me, and I love you.